Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Windows 11 24H2 is last year's annual feature update, as you may well know. And Microsoft started pushing out 24H2 on the 1st of October last year, using a controlled phased rollout. But Windows 11 24H2 has been plagued with issues since its release. And I myself have experienced a lot of problems, which seem to be slowly ironing themselves out, mostly because I forced the update for the purpose of this channel, so I was partly to blame for that because Microsoft had put a safeguard hold on my system. And if we head into the playlist that I've created for version 24H2, most of the videos that I've posted are regarding issues with Windows 11 24H2. So you see issues with firewall, exclamation marks, asking questions about a problem. And if you scroll down here, you can see warnings about printer issues and so on. So you get the general idea. If you go through this playlist, I would say that most of the videos are actually talking about issues with Windows 11 24H2. So there have been a couple of issues, as we have been talking about on the channel. And due to what I see in the comments, a lot of you have been experiencing issues with 24H2, and I see a lot of comments where Windows users don't even want to upgrade to 24H2 and would rather just stick on a previous version. Now, according to Microsoft, with all the ongoing problems with 24H2, Microsoft, according to this post, the Windows RT Pro blog post, Resilience in Action for Windows Devices, dated 22nd of July. And yeah, they're just talking about new features that have rolled out, some of which we have covered, like the new black screen of death and so on. According to Microsoft, they state in this post that Windows 11 24H2 is our most reliable version of Windows yet. And Microsoft is proud to share that news. Microsoft mentions, compared to Windows 10 22H2, failure rates for unexpected restarts, as in a stop error, a blue screen of death, now I call the black screen of death, have dropped by 24%. Now, if we have a look at the small print regarding that right at the bottom, source is reliability telemetry collected by Microsoft July 2025. Okay, so that's telemetry collected by Microsoft. So that's that phone in home between your device and the Microsoft servers. So if we go back to that announcement, Microsoft says these improvements reflect deep collaboration across engineering, design, and user research teams, and a commitment to making Windows more resilient for everyone. So it's interesting that Microsoft says that it's the most reliable Windows yet. Now, I'm going to differ with Microsoft's statement and say I don't think so currently. Maybe by the time we get to 25H2, 24H2 will be operating like it should at 100%. Now, Microsoft, as I've mentioned, is slowly but surely ironing out known issues. And there have been a lot of known issues. If you've been watching this channel for some time, you will know we cover that quite a lot on the channel. I still feel, though, that Microsoft pushed 24H2 out too early. It almost was a beta version pushed out to the public, and they used the public for testing to stabilize the operating system, which I think, as I would say on the channel, is a little bit cheeky. And once again, although Microsoft is ironing out issues, and obviously with the upcoming end of support of Windows 10 shortly on the 14th of October this year, obviously Microsoft is trying their level best to stabilize 24H2. And once again, though, it begs me to ask the question, and we have spoken about this previously on the channel. I think I even ran a poll. Is Microsoft out of touch with its user base? That's a question I'm going to ask you guys. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments. Is Windows 11 24H2 the most reliable Windows yet? Let me know your thoughts. I'd be interested to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.